Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another easy peasy lemon squeezy recipe, very famous in Afghanistan. Can you guys guess what it is? It is none other than Afghani Burger. So an Afghani Burger is very basic yet very tasty. It's a wrap consisting of a piece of bread wrapped around some sausage, french fries, veggies, and some chutney. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is heat up some oil in a pot, and right ahead we will add our frozen fries. Fry them until they are nice golden and crispy. When you take the french fries out, go right ahead and in the same oil you can fry your meat. Give it a good stir and take it out of the oil, put it on a napkin so it can absorb the oil. Following that, I will go ahead and boil some eggs. So once that's all done, you can see I have them all assembled here nicely. I have my tortilla bread, I have my chutney, which is the sauce, I have some veggies cut up. If you guys want to know how I make this chutney, please let me know in the comment section and I will be most happy to make a video on it. Okay, so I will take my tortilla bread, which I have heat up on my stovetop for about 30-40 seconds. Right on that, I will put on some of the chutney. Next, place on the meat on your bread. You can take any meat of your choice. Following that goes some boiled egg slices. Once you have all that placed, I will go ahead and season it, some black pepper and some salt, and put on some romaine lettuce over it. You can use any kind of veggies you want. Here I have some tomatoes, some onions, some parsley. Now we'll put some french fries and our meat. On top of all this goodness, I'll go ahead and put on some of the chutney that I've made at home myself. Like I said, if you guys want to know the recipes, please let me know down in the comment section. I will definitely make it for you guys. Once you have all that on your tortilla bread, we'll go ahead and wrap it nicely. Okay, now you can see it looks absolutely delicious and just tastes as great at the same time. If you guys did like this video and want to see more easier recipes, please let me know down in the comments section. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel please, and hit that notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram, which is also Afghan Cookbook. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, take care, bye!